Welcome back, everybody. So I'm back out in the garden, and I'm back at it again, weeding. I didn't quite get done the last time, so it's quite a chore right here. So like I said, I'm trying to get the weeds the best I can. I got a little walking path I walk through here to get to my chicken pen, and I'm just trying to, right now, just trying to clear my path so the weeds ain't tangling up around my ankles and my knees and stuff like that. And it feels like I got bugs crawling on me when I walk through my walking path. So that's what I'm doing tonight, just trying to clear out my walking path right here. All the grass that I pull up is either going to go to the well, some of it will go, most of it will go to the rabbit, and then the rest of it will go to my chickens. Yeah, they both love it. So I'm going to get busy. Check back with me here in a little bit. This ain't the funnest thing to do in the world, but hey, it's got to be done. Just a little bit of hard work goes a long way, so I'm pretty much almost done now. Oh yeah, starting to shape up a little bit better. All right, I think that looks a lot better. Now I can get down through here without getting grass and cheaters all over me. Gather all this up and take what I can to the chickens and rabbits. So I'm just gonna get a little handful for the rabbit, and then I'll give the rest to the chickens. Yeah, Sheila, she'll probably have most of it ate tonight. I don't know, gotta give her fresh water tonight. Looks like she's about out. I got the chickens bowls out here. I want to clean their bowls up and give them fresh water. Today is fresh water day for everybody. Grab this other grass and give to the chickens. Chickens love grass. Got me a little red bell pepper there. First rib one I've had all year. Bye y'all, see you next time.